Wait a second. Am I wearing the same clothes?
Yes, because we forgot to close out the video yesterday. So now it's Saturday morning and kids are relaxing at our Airbnb, and Brian and I are headed out to the farmer's market again. So Tuck is at home. He was disappointed. So we're doing that. And then we've got brunch reservations at Butcher and the Bee. And what else are we doing?
We might go to Fort Sumter today.
So that's the plan.
See how it goes.
Yeah, we'll bring you along. It's like a wall of jasmine. Flowering jasmine. The season's over now. Oh, it smells so pretty. All right.
Good morning. So, made it to the farmer's market. Got a few of the same things that we've gotten in the past, like the peaches, cherries, corn, blueberries, but then we added a couple of very important additions for this week. Kettle corn, should be fabulous. And then this is burrata and hickory smoke fromage. So we're looking forward to that. And then we're getting ready to go to Butcher and the Bee.
You're gonna get shashuka.
Oh yes, big time shashuka fan.
How cute is this little bee that goes around at Butcher and the Bee?
You're welcome. It's not picking up and easy to know where you reach it. And so the father with somebody who's
I can really see the whole.
In there somewhere, probably. So Brian got the Bloody Mary, of course. I got the iced Israeli coffee. It has like rose water, oat milk. I can't remember what else. You got the lavender lemonade, and you got the ginger ale. So we got the bacon wrapped dates, and I ate one already. Then we got the tomato pie here. That looks like a, and then we got the pastry roll, which is a cinnamon roll and a strawberry basil donut. So Ryan got the shashuka. I got the avocado salad with like Carolina gold rice and peanuts and chilies. Katie got avocado toast with egg and bacon. Ian got French toast with peanut butter cup fresh granola and whiskey ginger cake with lemon, lime, cream cheese frosting.